let's play around with some cylinder rotations. We're probably pretty comfortable doing just a vertically standing cylinder. Maybe feel okay about one line on its side. Right? And we can also add contour lines to these to help describe that shape even a little bit better. Maybe even, again, thinking of top left lighting, so shading the bottoms and right sides. But we could also do other orientations, right? We could tip it. Still basically the same shape, just drawing it at an angle here. Maybe kind of face it more towards us, move it up just a little bit, right, where it's, I guess it's almost the same as what I just did there, isn't it? Make it a little more extreme. Yeah. What about tipping it back this way? Again, we make the angle a little bit more extreme on it, add a little more perspective to it to vary it from the other ones. But this idea of kind of thinking about tumbling primitives is a great exercise to work on getting comfortable with those 3D shapes in your head. Boy, that one's pretty rough there. But this is why we do these. Get better at them each time, hopefully. But try that out. Rotate some cylinders, do some different directions, and see what you can kind of come up with. Don't have to be all the proportion the same either, right? We could make them all different shapes and sizes.